Hello, my name is Sylvia Jebet from Africa's Talking, where I serve in developer relations and lead the women in tech. My areas of expertise are in development and applied machine learning. I'm excited to bring to you the Launchpad program, which is a collaboration between Africa's Talking and Google, where we're bringing you a program that has a series of Google Cloud, Gen AI, and APIs. I'll be taking you through the module on the introduction to APIs. What are APIs? What do they entail? How do you make a request? What do you expect in a response? These are part of the concepts that we'll be covering in this particular module. After this training, you'll be able to send an API request, you'll be able to interpret a response, and you'll be able to secure your APIs and put in your credentials successfully. Looking forward to having you for this particular program. Join us and let's upskill together.